Another lovely day, another adventure. Today we're going to Santana just to get a bus or probably taxi to some port. I forgot the name of it already. Something port. But it's gonna be nice hike. It's about 4 kilometers to Santana, maybe less. I think it's less. According to Google, there's supposed to be a waterfall somewhere here, but I don't know. Yesterday, Google told me many stories, and then I suffered. But hopefully, actually, it's true this time. Taxi. It's very beautiful in here. It's amazing. It's my taxi, and oh my god, I'm gonna crash my drone over there. Aha! Amazing! I'm about to check if those houses are empty or not with my drone in a minute. But first, there's a castle somewhere there, so that's how I'm going first. And then maybe fly around this island. factory of rum. I'm gonna try some later. First, I'm gonna fly over there and see some castle. Oh, it used to be a castle, not anymore. Those are very weird. I don't know whether they're natural like that or what. Hello. Yeah, those stones are very weird. I've got a headache since I woke up this morning, but I think the best cure for a headache is two things: it's exercise or exercise. Unfortunately, I can only get one thing, so I decided to do 5k walk up to the mountains up there. Headache is going away slowly. Hello. Oh, hi. How are you? You're lovely. Well, oh, you're so lovely. Don't eat my phone. Almost there. Wow. So we're heading back now to town. Hopefully I can catch some taxi to get back to my hotel, which is about 15-20 kilometers away from here. And I don't want to hike because I've done already 14 and a half, and I was gonna just do 10 to 12 max. but it was totally worth it. So again, a taxi to get me to Santana. I'm gonna go have some food. And this is another taxi driver that used to work in Jersey, and he was so friendly. He only charged me 15 quid to get from Porto something, the place I've just been to. I've done 18.4 kilometers. Not bad, not bad. So, probably 99.9% of you guys know Rihanna. She's the musician. Don't know where she's from, but you know, umbrella, whatever. But have you met her sister? Rihanna. She's not as popular, so she has a petrol station here. She's very popular in Madeira, but not very popular in the rest of the world, to be fair. Apparently, pilots have to have a special license to land in this airfield because it's very short.
you.